Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your Apple Health account to your FitPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your settings and tap on connect to Apple Health. If the app says authorization accepted, then open your health account. Tap on sharing down below, scroll down and tap on apps. After that, click on FitPro and allow FitPro to have access to your active energy, heart rate, sleep, steps and walking and running distance. Tap on data from FitPro and here you will be able to find all of your data from the app. And as you go back to the application, you are going to see that it has been linked to your application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.